Hey everybody, we're here doing an unboxing video of the Marlin 1895 SLB lever action. This thing is calibered at 4570. It's a pretty big round. And you can use it for hunting out here in Ohio. So let's take a look how she looks like. Stainless steel finish. Yeah, 4570 government. The model 1895. Pretty nice wood. Wood finish on the back is pretty nice, as well as this stainless steel. Let's see how it works. That is nice. Very nice. Very cool. Yeah, very nice wood finish here as well. I believe it holds 6 rounds, plus 1 in the chamber. Not bad. Yeah. All right.